Welcome back to the Ministry of AI podcast, where we unravel the latest innovations in artificial intelligence research. Today, we're diving into an exciting paper titled InternVL3, Exploring Advanced Training and Test Time Recipes for Open-Source Multimodal Models, by an extensive list of contributors, led by Jinguo Zhu and his team. So what's all the fuss about? At its core, InternVL3 takes a fresh approach to building multimodal large language models. Essentially, those AI systems that can understand and generate text while also processing images and other types of data. Instead of relying on a sequential method where a text-only model is retrofitted to handle images, InternVL3 employs a native multimodal pre-training paradigm. This allows it to simultaneously learn from both visual and textual data right from the start. Now, one of the pivotal methods employed is called Variable Visual Position Encoding, V2PE. This innovation allows the model to handle longer multimodal contexts effectively. Think of it as giving the model a flexible way to understand where things are in an image based on visual tokens. This empowers InternVL3 with enhanced reasoning capabilities across diverse tasks, including real-world comprehension and document understanding. What's truly impressive is the performance of InternVL378B, boasting a remarkable score of 72.2 on the Multimodal Multidisciplinary Understanding (MMU) benchmark. This score positions it as the leading open-source multimodal model, even rivaling some of the most advanced proprietary systems out there, like ChatGPT 4.0 and Claude 3.5 Sonnet. This groundbreaking work not only sets a new standard for multimodal AI, but also embraces open science principles, with plans to release training data and model weights for further development. This ensures a richer ecosystem for research and applications in AI. Enthusiastic conclusion. Overall, InternVL3 marks a significant step towards the future of AI, tapping into its potential for tasks that require a blend of understanding across different forms of media. The excitement around this model is just the beginning of what we could see in advancements in artificial general intelligence. Thanks for listening. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel. To advance your AI knowledge further, check out our free courses at the Ministry of AI. You'll find the link in the description below. Until next time, Podcastro Music